Today we'll demonstrate bear hold with leg movements exercise. It is an advanced core stability exercise. In bear hold exercise, we just hold the position and work on the stability, static stability. With leg movements, we challenge the core with dynamic movement. So it is an advanced core strengthening exercise only when you have worked up on the basic core mobility, core stability. Here's how to perform. Come into tabletop position with your hands under your shoulders, your knees under your hips. Keep your toes flat on the floor and raise your knees up off the floor. Keep your pelvis posteriorly tilt and hold this position. So this is bear hold position. Now, while holding this position still, extend one leg like this and slowly bring back. You can alternate between both the legs. The idea is to extend the knee and stretch the leg as if trying to touch the wall behind and slowly coming back. Keep breathing all through. Just 3 reps into the movement and I can already feel my core being challenged. Try this exercise at home and let me know in the comments how do you feel.